Hi, my name's Tanya and I'm a first year grad working at Kidgee Healing. I grew up in Mount Isa, had a good childhood here, played so much sports, was always active, always in the community. I've always been around the healthcare system, so my nan was a nurse, but my mum's mum was a nurse. She kind of put the little seed in my head and was like, oh, nursing. Seeing how my mum's mum was so influential when she was at the hospital, and seeing how my dad's mum played a big impact on my grandfather's life when taking care of him throughout all his cares. And then seeing my mum in her role now and see how much she gets out into the community and has involvement with our own culture. It's just all come together as one to put me into the direction of nursing. I've found the hospital out here really good, just experience-wise. Our surgical ward, you can see orthopedics, brain injuries, you just see it all. I just feel like uni allowed me to flourish as a person. Got to find myself as an adult when transitioning from that little teenager to adulthood. At the centre, I had support and comfort going through the course. What I found to be successful in uni was just making sure I had time out with my friends at least once or twice a week to really reset my mind. If you do want to go to uni, I just say, just do it. Go for it. Don't look back. Just get in, do the work, just enjoy the ride.